Showtime, a-holes. He'll be here any minute.
Drax, why aren't you wearing one of Rocket's arrow rings?
It hurts.
Hurts.
I have sensitive nipples.
After all these years, I've found you.
And who the hell are you?
I'm your dad, Peter. I can explain your very special heritage. Finally get to be the father I've always wanted to be. We gotta get out of here.
I want 10% of the take.
What are you gonna do with your share?
After I murder my sister, I will buy a warship with every conceivable instrument of death.
I was talking about like a pretty necklace or a nice hat, you know, something make the other girls go, ooh, that's nice.
Only you carry the connection to the light.
For the first time in my existence, I am truly not alone!
Mantis, look out!
Groot, put your seatbelt on!
Don't call me a raccoon!
I'm sorry. I took it too far. I meant trash panda.
Is that better?
It's worse. It's so much worse.
You son of a...